Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to open favorite apps, contacts, actions and settings without minimizing opened app in Android. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen, right? So firstly just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as Edge Card Launcher. Just search this application, and on the first list I will say this application. Just tap on install to install this application firstly. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, it will show you some instructions. Just tap on it, click on this permission to draw overlays. Just enable this Edge Card Launcher and just move back, and now click on this tick mark, and now you can see here in the permission option it's showing some exclamatory red indication, right? So just tap on it, and now here you can see tons of permissions. You can enable it if you wish, so I will enable one by one each one of them. So I've enabled all the permissions. So now on the above you can see your option launcher has stopped, right? So it has not been enabled right now. So to enable, just tap on it, and now you will see some instruction to pull and release to open the launcher. So the Edge Card Launcher has been activated. Now you can just tap on this favorite app to add your favorite application. Say I will just try to add some application, right? So I've added some applications, and say you can add some favorite contacts also if you wish to add a favorite contacts. And below you can see so volume level, so it will show you the volume level. You can see some more options below, like so launch areas, vibrate on actions. You can just turn it off also if you don't like vibration, and where you want to make it show up, left, right, and you need a pro version if you want to use it in both sides. And the last option you are getting to see here is a edge sensitivity, so you can increase to the maximum. So I will keep it to the high level, and now you can minimize this option. Now you can see on the left side of my Android smartphone home screen, you can see some particle line, right? So this is the Edge Card Launcher. So when you double tap on it, so you can see here it will show you a card like user interface. So here you can see the favorite apps, and the next to it is a contacts, and the above layout you can see here. While you are playing some music, you can just pause and play. You can just move to the next track or move to the previous track, and you can see volume indicator also, and you can activate the voice assistant also. If you are using a Google Assistant, you can just enable by clicking on this Google Assistant enabling icon, and you can see here you can just bring down the notification toggles just by tapping on this icon, as you can see here. And you can see you can just enable the auto rotation, you can enable the flashlight, as well as you can open the settings from here itself. And the last one is to edit this applications, right? So now say let me open one application, right? And so just double tap on the Edge Card Launcher. Now you can just access your favorite apps or your contacts, actions and settings without needing to minimize the open applications. So in my opinion, it's a very useful application which will let you open favorite apps, contacts, actions and settings without minimizing open app in Android smartphones. So in my opinion, a very cool application that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.